Germany, during Advent time, doesn't just feel festive, it feels magical. It turns into a completely different country, and here's what really happens. Visiting the legendary Christmas markets, so Weihnachtsmärkte. These markets date back hundreds of years. Wooden stalls, handmade products, the smell of warm roasted almonds, twinkling lights everywhere, and yes, more alcohol than you think is ever possible. No matter where you go, every market has its own personality. Dresden is famous for its Stollen festival, and Cologne has the whole market themed after nuns. Christmas markets are also full of delicious food, for example, bratwurst and other regional sausages, Kartoffelpuffer, so thick, crispy potato pancake, and the Glühwein, so the mild wine in many different variations that keeps everyone warm and cheerful. Next beloved Christmas tradition is the Advent wreath. Many families light one candle every Sunday leading up to Christmas. The wreaths are usually handmade, but with a small kit, we stick to the bought one. And Advent calendars? Yes, those also come from Germany. I made our Advent calendars a few years ago, which I showed actually in video. And since then, I've been feeling it for December with some sweets. Decorating is also something what the Germans do, but don't overdo. Wooden, handmade decorations are beloved. Nutcrackers, Räuchermännchen, wooden pyramids, and handcrafted ornaments. And Moravian stars, they also pretty popular. These aren't just decorations, they're objects families collect for many generations. If you liked our tradition so far, give me a like and copy all of them if you like. In Germany, we don't only celebrate a Christmas day. The whole December is full of festivity. On Advent Sundays, family and friends gather together to eat. These meals aren't as formal as Christmas Eve dinner, but they're cozy and warm and full of traditional German Christmas dishes. Another beloved tradition is Gansessen, literally goose eating. It's a beloved type of Adventsessen where families gather for roast goose feast, which can be held at home or in a restaurant. The goose is typically served with red cabbage and potato dumplings. Companies organize Christmas parties that usually involves food and alcohol. My Christmas party would rather look like this. The hard life of a solo creator, but it also has some advantages. Let's not lie about it. Baking. In December, we do bake a lot. Sometimes with children, sometimes with friends, and often with a mild wine. There's many traditional German cookies. Next week, I will offer a mini cookbook with my favorite ones, so check the description for a link. In Germany, we also celebrate St. Nikolaus on the eve of the 5th of December. We make our children clean the boots and put it out, so overnight they can be filled with sweets. If the children were good, of course. And if not, they're gonna come and leave you a birch rod, coal, or a thread. On the 6th, they usually have very sweet beginning of the day. And by the way, the chocolate Santas are pretty new. I still remember getting oranges and nuts from St. Nikolaus. Celebrating Christmas actually on Christmas Eve. So on the 24th of December, our Christmas celebration starts with a dinner and then we move on to opening the gifts. The 25th and the 26th of December are Christmas days too, but they're much more quiet and usually you go and visit families during those days. This practice actually comes from the Bible because in the book of Genesis, the God's work is described as the evening and the morning were the first day. So in the early church, the days liturgical cycle began actually with the evening prayers. And finally, the New Year's Eve. Germans do different kind of things. Some go for elegant dinners with a party afterwards, while younger ones stick to just party part. Some cities organize fireworks shows and concerts. See Frankfurt fireworks here. With children, we usually stay at home and have a raclette and a game night. So I hope that now you believe me that Germany is a season where the Christmas magic really fully comes alive. And once you experience it, you will understand why people travel from all around the world for this. So my question is, when are you coming to see all this magic? If you want to bring some holiday spirit into your kitchen, check out this video. You can find there many festive cooking ideas. So, people
was my present.